Hi, welcome to the session number 9 of Anti-Aging Challenge. I hope you are doing the daily task and you must have tuned up with your own beauty. Everyone loves themselves. सब अपने आप से प्यार करते हैं, सब अच्छा दिखना चाहते हैं, लेकिन आपका खुद के लिए प्यार केवल बाहर से नहीं, अंदर से भी होना चाहिए। बाहर का मेकअप तो टाइम के साथ डल होता जाता है, पर अगर आप अंदर का मेकअप करते हैं तो टाइम के साथ और ज़्यादा ब्राइट होता जाता है और कुछ दिन में आपके अंदर की ब्यूटी फेस के ग्लो एंड लवली स्माइल के रूप में डिस्प्ले होने लगती है। यकीन मानिए कि आपको ये पता ही नहीं चलता कि ये कब हुआ है। लोग आपको देखकर अच्छा फील करने लगते हैं और जब आप उनके आसपास रहते हैं तो उनको एनर्जेटिक फील होता है। ये होता है कमाल इनर ब्यूटी का। It is like if you wear a perfume, so the fragrance of the perfume you rarely feel by yourself, but the fragrance makes the people around you feel very good. So this inner beauty enhancement is in your hands and there are few tricks to do it. Few of them are like appreciating yourself. So the benefits of appreciating yourself are when you learn to appreciate yourself, your mind remains full of positive thoughts and good feelings. Today I am going to share with you about the importance of taking time to indulge in yourself. Do self-appreciation. And my dear friend, it is not a luxury, but it's a pure necessity if you want to connect to your inner positive calm and move into the life with renewed energy and strength and confidence, and then you must be indulge in yourself for the self-appreciation. We all are human beings and from time to time we used to face with either from within ourselves or from the outside with criticism, with many problems, difficulty or setbacks. But rarely we know that the immediate solution for the feel good factor is self-appreciation. I will tell you top 7 reasons for the self-appreciation. When you appreciate yourself, so number 1, you will feel wealthy and more wealth will come to you. Number 2, you will gain the confidence and so you will be able to complete your task, complete your work more effectively and more efficiently. Number 3, you will start to serve your body better through the healthy lifestyle. Number 4, you will look forward to meet new friends, new people, socialize more and have more fun, which also releases happy hormones in your body and which are very much helpful for your anti-aging effect. Number 5, you will find the way to spend quality time with both your friends and with your family. Number 6, you will be able to let go the things from your to-do list and feel relieved. As we already have discussed the benefits of making to-do list, so this is one of the most important factor. Not everything on that list will be urgent, and even if it is, so you will find the ways to delegate that task to other people. Number 7 is you will be able to appreciate others more, so that will increase your compassion and connect with the inner peace. Well, to really benefit from the self-appreciation technique, you now have to make time and set an appointment with you. Simply get a blank piece of paper and list all the achievements and all the successes you have that you can think till today. So when you write down them and remember the feeling you had when you achieved it, so how did you feel? Did you feel the thrills and happiness? List everything that you can think of. आप एक लिस्ट बनाइए जिसमें आप वो सारे एरियाज जिंदगी के आप लिखिए, जैसे हेल्थ, फैमिली, बिजनेस, वर्क, रिलेशनशिप, और टेक योर टाइम. You don't need to rush. Just focus on all things that you have done and feel good about that. ये सारी चीजें टाइम टू टाइम करते रहना चाहिए. एक्चुअली हम जिंदगी की भाग दौड़ में ये सारी चीजें, छोटी छोटी चीजें, छोटे छोटे अकम्प्लिशमेंट जो हैं उसको हम रिकॉग्नाइज करना भूल जाते हैं, जबकि ये आपके लिए एक असेट है. इट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ असेट विथ यू. सिट बैक, इंडल्ज इन सेल्फ एप्रिशिएशन एंड से टू योरसेल्फ. आप मेरे पीछे दोहराइए, आई एक्सेप्ट माई सेल्फ एज अ गुड इनफ ऑलवेज एंड आई एप्रिशिएट माई सेल्फ इन एनी सिचुएशन. Repeat it 3 to 4 times. You have to repeat it right now. Pause the video and right now repeat it. Now simply remember how good it feels when you appreciate yourself. If this is hard for you to just start focusing on your past successes and those feelings you had at that time, this will help you to increase your emotional positive state of contentment and happiness. Let's take out some time to celebrate your life so far. अभी तक आपकी लाइफ में जो जो भी अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें हुई हैं उनको सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए टाइम निकालिए, उनके लिए फील गुड फैक्टर लेके आइए. द बेनिफिट्स आर ग्रेट टू बी मिस्ड. It starts from within, then radiates and expands outwards. You can connect with your inner peace and feel contentment with yourself right now. So let's do it together. Focus on the task and finish it fast within time frame, within today only till night, and make sure you are making a tick mark on your completed task. So let's start it.